Hi guys, so this is the multiplying and dividing words problems practice. So Flora made 7 withdrawals of $75 each from her bank account. What was the overall change in her bank account? So I'm doing 75 times 7, and you can't use a calculator. So 7 times 7 is 49, plus 3 must be 52. And it's a withdrawal, so it's going to be negative. So I should have negative 525. A football team lost 5 yards on each of the 3 plays. Write the overall change as a rational number. So negative 5 times 3 equals negative 15. A mountain climber climbed down a cliff negative 50 feet at a time. He did this 5 times in one day. What was his overall change? So negative 50 times 5. Well, I know 5 times 5 is 25, and I add a 0, so it's negative 250. Alan's score in a video game was changed by negative 75 points because he missed some targets. He got 15 points for each missed target. How many targets did he miss? So I have negative 75 divided by negative 15. So I know 15 times 4 is going to be 60. 15 times 5 is 75. So I know that he missed 5 targets. Ned took a test with 25 questions. He lost 4 points for each of the 6 questions he got wrong. So negative 4 times 6, I get negative 24. Then he earned an additional 10 points for answering the bonus question correctly, so plus 10. So how many points did Ned receive or lose overall? So he lost 14 points. Lee went on a trip to Ohio during the month of January. He recorded the low temperature for each day of 1 week. What is the mean low temperature to the nearest hundredth? All right, so I've got to add these numbers up. So I have negative 2, 1.5, 6.3, 2.9, 6, negative 4.1, and negative 3.2. So I'm separating them because I want to have all my negatives together and my positives together, because it'll make it easier for me to add or subtract. So I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. So I have negative 9.3, and then 14, 15, 16, 17, 12, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16.7 and negative 9.3. When my signs are different, I have to subtract. So I get 7.4. So then they want me to find the mean. So that means I have to divide by the number of numbers. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm dividing by 7. Seven goes into 7 one time. 7 goes into 4 0 times. 7 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. 7 goes into 50 7 times. So I know the 7 tells the 5 to round up, so it should be 1.06. Yep, purple. The temperature dropped 2 degrees every hour for 6 hours. So negative 2 times 6. What's the total number of degrees the temperature changed over the 6 hours? Negative 12 degrees. The price of 1 share of Acme Company declined $5 per day for 4 days in a row. How much did the 1 share change in the total after 4 days? Negative 20. Casey uses some of his savings on batting practice. The cost of renting the batting cage for 1 hour is $6. He rents the cage for 9 hours in each of 2 months. So I've got 9 times 2 is 18. And then I know that's in 6 hours. So times 6. So 18 times 6. I get $108. And because I'm paying that, it's going to be negative 108. Louisa's savings changed by negative 9 each time she goes bowling. It changed by negative 99 all summer. How many times did she go bowling? So I'm doing negative 99 divided by negative 9. So she went bowling 11 times. Clayton climbed down 60 meters. He climbed down in 10-meter intervals. How many intervals did Clayton make the climb? So he climbed down 60 meters, and he did it in 10-meter intervals. So how many intervals did he make his climb? 6. On a certain day, the temperature changed at a rate of negative 3 degrees per hour. How long did it take for the temperature to be changed by negative 36 degrees? So negative 36 divided by negative 3, I get 12. So it would take 12 hours. All right, please let me know if you've got any questions. Have a great rest of your day.